Hello, my friends. Welcome back. And today we're doing book 10 of the Animal Antics series of phonics. And I love these little books. They're tongue twisters, but they're funny. Today's story is Elk Yelps. The elk. The elk fell. Uh-oh. The elk fell on a sled. A lucky elk. The elk fell on a sled next to a deck. Oh, not so lucky elk. Yelp, yelp. Uh-oh. The sled sped. Uh-oh. The elk and the sled sped off the deck. Whoa, there he goes. The sled gets a dent. Poor elk. The elk is a mess. Uh-oh, I think it's going to get worse for him. The elk yelps for help. And I guess the elk didn't get any help. How sad. So, we're supposed to ask, what does the elk fall on? And what does the elk yell for help? And we're supposed to find words that rhyme with sled, deck, and fell. Anyway, I love this little series. Please like, subscribe, and check out the other ones. Bye-bye.